location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall, but you gathered my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage, don't leave my heart damaged. To understand that things go a little bit better when you plan it. Oh, so won't you send me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me
Things like I wish that you would. You've been out of reach, could you explain? I think that you should. What you been up to? Who's been loving you good? I'm like a murder. Been looking through the texts and all the photos. But don't you worry, I can handle it. No, don't you worry, I can handle it. If you let him touch you, touch you, touch you, touch you, touch you, touch you.
Can you hear my heartbeat calling? Can you feel the love we're falling? Just take my hand and take me home tonight. Throwing caution to the wind, I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my hand and take me home tonight. We defeat all impossibilities. Yeah, you and me will take our hearts and run free into the wild. Into the running so fast, can you find me in the dark? Oh baby, close your eyes and listen to the beat of my heart. Take my hand, don't be afraid. A love like ours just can't be tamed. Take my heart, just feel the beat. We'll leave tonight and run free into the
Why are you breathing so deeply?
They were bullying me.
Oh my god.
She's pretty.
That's her teacher.
I'm sorry, is there someone in the back?
Hey girl! Stand up!
Hello, my name is Vera, and I am a book.
I think it's about time you get out of the closet, huh?
Miss Boss, I just want to share your beautifully,
Shut up. Alright.
Who here is getting bullied? Who here doesn't want to get bullied anymore? You guys don't want to be bullied anymore? Yeah? Yeah?
Well, that's not gonna happen!